Listen up, everyone. Are you ready to ignite your earning potential? I've got something that's going to blow your mind. There's a leading US bank that's paying out some major cash flow to refer your friends and family to open a new checking account. Imagine getting $75 in referral bonuses for every person you refer to this bank, and technically, it's free for new members to join. You also get access to those bonuses the same day. If you got some bills to pay, a vacation to plan, or some credit cards to pay off, this is the program you want to be connected to. Why? Because when you have a prestigious offer like this, it goes viral real fast, which means you could stack some major cash flow in record time. This affiliate program is turning heads and filling up wallets fast, so don't delay. Even if referring others isn't your thing, you will still have access to one of the most robust banking institutions in the market, giving you access to various financial services like loans, credit cards, investment opportunities, and so much more. Plus, you'll have a new checking and savings account with a shiny new bank debit card and access to their innovative mobile app. I'm sure you've seen their TV commercials, especially since they have an NFL football stadium named after them. You'll find out more about this bank on the next page. Once you create your new checking account and deposit $50 into it, you'll get a $25 bonus just for creating the account. That's right, they'll add $25 to your new checking account the same day just for depositing $50. That gives you a total of $75 ready and waiting in your new account as a warm welcome to new members. Congratulations in advance. Now, when you refer others to do the same, you'll earn $75 for every person who creates an account using your unique affiliate link. And remember, you'll get access to every $75 bonus you generate within 30 minutes. They just deposit them straight into your checking account. Many are earning hundreds and even thousands per day sharing this affiliate program. Your friends and family and the people you're connected to on social media are waiting for you to share this with them. Your affiliate link is located inside the app once you create your account. Getting started is super simple. Just click the orange button below and fill out the form. Watch the short video on the next page to see how to sign up correctly and make your $50 deposit so you can get your $25 bonus within the next 30 minutes. This is important, so do not skip watching that short video. This is more than just an opportunity, it's a path to financial empowerment. So don't wait. Create your account now, embrace the easy wins, and let's see you on the other side with a fatter wallet and a brighter financial future. We'll see you on the next page.